Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a sign up form in Brevo. So all you have to do is head over to brevo.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on contacts, then click on forms. Then next, in the sign up page, just head over and click on create sign up form. Start by choosing what kind of form do you want to create. If it's a full page or embedded form, so choose this to get a link to a full page form or embed it on a web page. And you also have here pop up. Make a form pop up where and when you want on your website. So we're just going to choose full page and start by giving your form a name. Then proceed by clicking on create form. So we're now here at the design part where you can add blocks and fields on your form. Then once done, just head over and click on next. Then next, you're going to need to choose at least one list from your existing lists, or you can also create one. Just add your list name and also choose the list folder, then click on create a list. Then proceed by clicking on next. So from here, you're just going to need to customize the confirmation settings. What's gonna happen after they fill up the sign up form? So are you gonna have double confirmation email or a simple confirmation email or no confirmation email? Then once done, just head over by clicking on next. You can also customize messages that will appear while they're filling up the form or when they're done filling up the form. Then proceed by clicking on next. And lastly, this is where you can share your form through a link just by clicking on this copy icon, or they can also scan a QR code to the form, or you can also embed this on your website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!